dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. Alright, what are we making today?
Taco
Casserole.
Casserole.
This is what Payton picked. So these are the ingredients that we're gonna need. I've written them down. We are gonna need frozen cauliflower rice, oil, ground beef, red bell pepper, onion, taco seasoning, tomato paste, shredded Colby Jack cheese, sour cream, lettuce, tomato, black olives, guacamole, cilantro, jalapeno, and salsa. So please disregard the peanut butter jelly and popcorn. That does not belong. And the grapes, they do not belong. And I do have to get the tomato paste out. All right, Payton, the first step is to preheat your oven to 350. So let's preheat the oven. 350. Now we're gonna pan fry our cauliflower rice in oil over medium-high heat until browned. So let's get this set up.
It's not turning brown, and I'm getting impatient.
Stop. We put our oil in the pan, we put our cauliflower rice in here, and we're gonna cook this until it is browned. Then we will transfer it over to our baking dish.
Maybe this is.
All right, so the next step after we put our browned cauliflower rice into our pan is to cook our hamburger meat. So he is using the spatulator. Can you sing the spatulator song?
What? You're crazy.
Spatulator. Spatulate. No? Okay. You can let it cook down for a minute.
Oh, finally I can watch some TV.
How lazy. You're going to add the pepper and onion. I cut this up into your ground beef mixture. And I'll be right back. We'll show you the next step. We added in the red pepper and the onion. And I'm going to get the seasonings out for taco seasoning. Gonna get browned up, looking nice and good. And Mom has diced up some black and green olives, tore up the cilantro and sliced up some tomatoes, and shredded the Colby Jack cheese. I got my half a cup of water, and I got my tomato paste ready. I'm going to shred the lettuce next while Payton continues to cook that meat up. We just use this Taco Bell seasoning packet. Usually I make my own, but this is only 3 net carbs. 3 net or 3? 3. Just 3 total carbs. And I think that's okay. So this part's almost done. I'll show you what's next. So we added our water and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and Payton is just mixing that in, and then we're going to transfer this on top of the cauliflower rice. So Mom transferred it and Payton's flattening it down, getting a nice even over the cauliflower. We're going to top it with the cheese now. So you just want to put that cheese all over top of your meat mixture. All right. Finally, Link moved. He was right in the middle of the kitchen. Look at it, it's already starting to melt. Freshly shredded cheese. That looks amazing. All right, nice and evenly spread. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so we took it out of the oven. I could eat it just like this, but we're gonna take it a step further. We're gonna add our toppings. So here's our sour cream. I'll probably have to get the rest of it out. Go ahead and coat it with sour cream. Put a layer of sour cream on.
Like how?
Just smear it on, like it's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but softly. Can you get me the other sour cream out of the back of the fridge? Bottom shelf, back of the, well, middle shelf, where Josh is, yeah, in the back. Glob that on. This is working weirdly. It's like sinking. You do? What are you doing? Corey already claimed next week to be in next week's episode, to be the cook.
I don't want to be in one.
Why? Your brother has made this. The only thing that Mom did was cut up the veggies.
Yeah. I don't think he did all of that.
He did. Didn't you?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Who cooked this meal?
I don't know.
Did I cook it?
No.
Well, who cooked it then?
I don't know.
I cooked it.
A ghost cooked it?
I cooked it.
Whoa, Tiffany cooked it.
Mm-hmm. I didn't know that. You just watch me cook it.
I watched you cook it.
And Payton practiced clean hands. He's washed his hands many times during the process of cooking. Like a good cook.
No.
He doesn't want us to get ill.
Yes, he does. He forced me. I want you to get ill.
You want them to get ill?
Mm-hmm.
I see your dimples. That's how you know it's Payton. Dimples. How many of your teachers at school say that to you?
I don't know. None.
None of them say smile? Or do you have dimples? What do they say to you when they think you might be Reese?
They say Reese.
What do you think? Which one of you gets, like, if a teacher comes up and they're like,
Done.
Reese or Payton, whose name do they say the most?
My name.
They say Reese the most.
But then, since we switched, they don't. So,
Oh, we didn't even use all of it? Okay, now you can do the guacamole.
Guacamole?
Can you take that lid off? I can't do it with my hand. What?
Hey, some guacamole.
You're gonna use the whole thing of guacamole.
Guacamole.
So just go ahead and put it on because he's hijacked the thing.
Yes.
Do it over the thing in case you drop any. You can just scrape the whole thing into the center and then flatten it out. Yeah, there you go. There you go. That's good. Now just flatten it out. Now sprinkle your lettuce on top. You can just put that in the sink. Sprinkle. Grab some lettuce and start sprinkling it on top. You want me to scoot it closer?
Yes. Bring it out.
I can't wait to eat. It looks really good.
No, it doesn't.
What? What did you say? It does look good. It looks really good.
Are we gonna add the olives?
You can put the olives on half.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Taco.
And yes, my son's arm is bruised up because he doesn't know when to stop playing rough with dogs and brothers.
Didn't fight.
Yeah, we didn't fight.
That was you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He beat me. So
Yeah.
I beat him.
All right, now sprinkle the tomatoes and the cilantro on and then put the olives on only half. You put all that on the whole thing.
Now I'm going to do
Okay,
these first.
do the olives first then.
My arm is tired.
Use the other arm.
No.
You have to.
No, I don't. I'm a soldier of World War II.
All right, sprinkle the rest on the whole top.
Wait, what?
Sprinkle all of this on the entire thing.
Okay.
Why'd you put so much cilantro in the middle?
You beat.
I guess that's pretty good.
Olive, ew, Olive, get away, You know, it's my side. Get it back.
All right, so here it is. This is the finished product.
No, it's
No,
not.
oh, we have to garnish it with one last cilantro leaf. All right, now this is the finished product. Here's a side view. Look at this taco bake. I'm so proud of you. This looks delicious. We're gonna plate it up and I'll show you what it looks like on a plate. I asked for a fork. You guys being buttheads to me?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't like this stuff. I don't like what's in it. I make food that tastes good, but I don't like this stuff.
What do you think, Payton?
He said it was horrible.
Good.
It's good? What do you think?
This stuff right here, bad.
Corey? Sit down. What's bad about it?
Too much onion, dude. Whole thing's onion, no meat.
There's a ton of meat in this.
I got like a solid chunk of just pure onion.
Are you sure? Because there's cauliflower rice in it. You probably think that that's onion.
Hey, what's
I don't
that?
know. Either way, I don't like it.
That's cilantro. All right, let me try it. Peyton likes it. I'm gonna try it.
Put it in. You like me, Mom. Put this in the tomato.
There is tomato, and you've eaten half of it, so
You like me, Mom.
I don't think it's bad.
That's because they're just starting to tear them up.
It's a little watery. I think
you.
maybe we should have put some cream cheese or something in it.
Yeah, because of you.
I would give it maybe like a
5.
6.5. It's not bad. It's not the best thing I've ever eaten.
Give me a 3.
Corey gives it a 3.
I give it a 0.
Just because I don't like the stuff in it.
A 0 after your plate's completely empty.
I'm hungry.
I think if we make this again, I would leave the water out, add more paste, and maybe add a little bit of cream cheese to thicken it.
Add a little onion.
Rinse your plate. You too, Reese. All right, that's it for Kids Cook Keto. Links here trying to find leftovers. We'll see you next week when Corey picks keto and cooks.
Yup.
And it's going to be good.
Bye, guys.
Corey's